Hi guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. And this one is going to be another clay time challenge where I try to make something in clay many times, but using different time limits. I've made a panda and a unicorn for this challenge in the past, but this time I'm gonna be creating a cute fortune cookie. Here is how it looks like without using a time limit, but let's find out how it will look like if I make it in 10 minutes and then all the way down to just 10 seconds. And for the first time ever in this challenge, I'm also gonna try to make it in just 5 seconds. And by the way, if you like these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because if you guys want to, I could make more videos like this one in the future. But anyways, as I said before, let's start with 10 minutes. As you can see, I'm taking some light brown clay to make the dough part of the cookie. And here I am taking a tiny round cookie cutter to make a round shape. And I'm also using my fingers to make it a bit bigger and also thinner. I spent quite a long time doing this, but with 8 minutes left, I then folded the cookie in half, and after that I made the edges look a bit better. And I then used the dotting tool to give it that classic fold. And then after fixing the shape of it a bit again, it was time to make the face. So here I'm using a dotting tool and I am making 2 indents for the eyes. And I then took some dark brown clay and I started to make the eyes. And once I was happy with the size of them, I put them on and flattened them down using my dotting tool. I then took some more brown clay to make the tiny mouth. And I then took some light pink clay to make the cheeks. And after that I took some white clay and I used it to make the tiny white note to put inside the cookie. And as a cute decoration, I also used some dark pink clay to make a little heart. And then with just 30 seconds left, I cut a small hole in the side of the cookie, and I did that to stick the note into it. And I even had some time to make some shimmer to the eyes. So here is how the first 10-minute cookie turned out. And as you can see, it is pretty similar to the original cookie. But let's make things more interesting and set the timer to 5 minutes. And for this version, I did pretty much the same thing as with the last one. The only difference, of course, was that I had to do everything twice as fast. So as you can see, I'm here taking some light brown clay again, and I'm starting to make the cookie. And with about 3.5 minutes left, I then started to make the face. I made indents where I wanted the eyes to be, and here I'm taking some dark brown clay to make the eyes. I also made a little mouth and I tried to give it a good shape using a small dotting tool. And I really wanted to add some more details to it, so here I'm making the cheeks. And I then started to make the paper note using some white clay. And I didn't really have time to make a heart, so it ended up being just a small piece of pink clay. And here is a better look of the 5-minute cookie. Obviously it is not as detailed as the other cookies, but I do think that the face and the overall shape looks pretty okay. But now it's time for the third time limit for this video, which is going to be just 2 minutes. So I started the timer, and again I took some light brown clay and I began to make the shape of the cookie. And once it was folded the way I wanted it to be, I then started to make the face. And just like before, I made this by making 2 indents in the clay and then adding small balls to it. And I didn't really have time to make a proper mouth, but I did give it a little smile. And then, with just half a minute left, I started to make the note by cutting it out in some white clay. And just as time was up, I had finished putting the note onto the cookie. And here is how the 2-minute cookie turned out. I actually really like this one. It doesn't have that many details, but I still think it looks really cute. But now let's move on to an even shorter time, which is just 1 minute. For this one, I started out by flattening out the light brown clay and I cut out a circle. And then, just like before, I started to fold it into the right shape. And then, with less than 30 seconds left, I started to make the face using the same technique as you have seen earlier. And once the face was on, I spent the last 10 seconds putting on a tiny piece of white clay. And then time was up. And here is how it turned out. It looks pretty similar to the 2-minute one, but the details are not really as perfect. But now let's make things even harder and see what is possible to create in just 30 seconds. And as you can see, I started out by creating a circle in brown clay, and I then used my fingers and a dotting tool to fold it up. But once I was done with that, I had only 10 seconds left. So I decided to just add the white note, and then time was up. And here is my 30-second faceless fortune cookie. It might look okay from the front, but if you look at it from the other side, it is not so perfect. But anyways, let's move on to one of the shortest times in this video, which is just 10 seconds. And for this one, I just took the brown clay again and I used the cookie cutter to make a round shape. And then in just 2 seconds, I used my fingers to fold it. And as you can see, one side of it looks pretty bad, but from the other side, I think you can totally tell that it's supposed to be a fortune cookie. And lastly, it is time for the hardest time of them all, which is just 5 seconds. And for this one, I didn't even use the cookie cutter. I just squished it down and folded it with my fingers. And I ended up creating this little fortune cookie. And to be honest, fortune cookies are pretty easy to create, but still, 5 seconds is almost nothing. And this one does look pretty okay, I think. But now that I've tried out all of these different times, it is time to compare the results. So here is how all of the fortune cookies ended up looking like. And I actually decided to add some paint and also to glaze them, to make them look a little bit better. And here is how they look like now. But anyways, that was everything for today's little experiment. I really hope that you guys like this video. And if you want to try out this challenge too, you can use the hashtag ClayTimeChallenge if you want to share your work, for example, on Instagram. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!